Hi viewers, welcome to the channel. So today's video is for those people who have just come to Sweden and they don't have a bank account. As according to my experience, Sweden is pretty much a cashless society. So you either need a bank account or you need to have some virtual account so that you can spend your money easily in Sweden. But how to do that? So in today's video I will explain, if you don't have a bank account, how you can survive in Sweden with some fintech setups. So let's talk about what is fintech first. Fintech refers to the financial technology in which some institute or some firm uses the new technology, artificial intelligence, to do the financial tasks for you without using the banking system or the old traditional method. It does involve the banking system in some way, but the faster one. What are the ABCD of fintech? Artificial intelligence, the second one is blockchain, third one is cloud computing, and the fourth one is big data, which are considered as the ABCD of fintech. So the whole setup of fintech involves these four areas, which all include modern technology. So now let's talk about how fintech setups can help us in our daily life. I will specifically talk about Sweden because there are few difficulties when you arrive in Sweden in terms of opening your bank account. It takes approximately 3 months. So how you will do your daily chores when, for example, purchasing things, purchasing grocery, doing the other tasks. So in Sweden, there are two fintech setups which are quite famous for doing the virtual payments. The first one is Revolut and the second one is Wise. I won't talk about Wise much in this video because I have a full experience of using Revolut. So I will share my experience of Revolut with you, that how I overcame my problems in terms of financial things when I arrived in Sweden. So when I arrived in Sweden, I had to make some payment for some of my works, and because the limit was little bit high, so I couldn't find any source which I can use to spend money or send my payments abroad. One of my friends suggested me to install Revolut, so I installed it and checked if I can do the payments. So after installing Revolut in my mobile phone, I entered my bank account details, the bank account in another country where which I could use during that time. After entering my bank details, the Revolut allowed me to do international payment, and I was shocked that there is no limit when you are using Revolut. They confirm using the app, and once you confirm, you can do any payment, purchase grocery or whatever you want to do. It's so much easy compared to all traditional methods of using bank accounts, making transfer or do any other thing. So after installing Revolut, you can do two things. Either you can use your foreign bank account to transfer money to your Revolut account, and then you can do all your payments or financial things. And the second thing is, if your friend has a bank account in Sweden, you can give him the cash and ask him to transfer money to your Revolut account. As a matter of fact, I still don't have a bank account in Sweden and I am using Revolut. I am waiting for my appointment to open a bank account. Maybe I will get the appointment after 2 weeks or 3 weeks, and until then I will keep using Revolut. It made my life so much easier. So you can also use Revolut in Apple Pay or Samsung Pay, which makes it even more easier. And one thing to clear, I am not getting any funding from the Revolut, and it's not a promotional video. I am just sharing my experience. You can thank me later